All right, what's going on YouTube? Thanks for tuning back in. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to replace your OEM taillights for some nice aftermarket taillights in a Subaru WRX STI. Now, this is not going to be like my typical video where I actually pull the headlights out or the taillights or that specific part and kind of talk about it. All I'm going to do for this one, I'm just going to leave a link down below for those taillights. So just in case you do like them, all you have to do is click that link. It'll take you straight to their website and then you can purchase them as well. But I will show you what tools are required for this installation. And then last but not least, I'm going to show you from start to finish on how to properly install these. So with that being said, let's get to it.
So tools required for this is a ratchet, 8mm socket, plastic pry bar, and a trim pad remover. Step 1, remove the 3 plastic clips. Step 2, remove the trunk trim panel cover. Step 3, remove the 3 plastic clips and pull out the trunk side liner cover to access the back of the tail light. Step 4, disconnect the tail light harness and remove the 3 8mm tail light mounting nuts. Step 5, remove the factory tail light housing. Step 6, seat the new tail light assembly in place. Step 7, reinstall the 3 8mm taillight mounting nuts. Step 8, connect the taillight resistor and set the resistor on the metal area. Step 9, connect the taillight harness. Step 10 and 11. Step 10, reinstall the trunk side liner cover and the 3 plastic clips. Step 11, repeat the steps from 3 to 10 for the opposite side.
Alright, so there we go. Just showed you from start to finish on how to properly install some aftermarket tail lights in a 2020 Subaru WRX STI. I also showed you what tools are required for this installation, and then again, the only thing I didn't show you, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, was the actual unboxing of the taillights. If you did like the taillights, I left you a link down below, like I also stated earlier, that'll take you straight to the website and where you can purchase those as well. Now, let's just say these taillights are not really your style. That is fine, still follow that link. Go to the website because they do have more styles than just the specific one that I installed on the vehicle. Now going into the actual me showing you how to install this, I understand that I only showed you one, and the reason for that is that one side is identical to the other side. So rather than wasting your time or my time or footage, I just showed you one side, okay? Now, if you did like the video, do me a favor, hit that like button, give me that thumbs up. Also, if you haven't done so yet, hit that subscribe button, turn on those notifications because I will be posting more videos in the near future. And then last but not least, if you have a comment or something to say about this specific video, down below, just leave me a quick comment, and then usually within like 24 hours, I do respond. So other than that, YouTube, that's it. Until next time, take it easy.